Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. Here's a question you thought you'd never have to answer. Would you pay for YouTube? Of course, your instinct would be to say no, but what if it included the following perks? What if it included an ad-free experience with background play so you could lock your mobile device and still listen to stuff, and download videos to play offline? What if it included more original programming, movies, and the new YouTube music streaming service? Well, that's what's coming to select countries worldwide, and it's called YouTube Premium. It combines existing services such as YouTube Red and Google Play Music under one roof. Or maybe it's just renaming them and charging a little bit more. YouTube Music will cost $9.99 a month, while YouTube Premium will cost $11.99 a month. It's still a little unclear how this affects existing plans, such as the YouTube Red family plan, but it is rolling out to more countries than ever before, including Canada, Italy, Germany, and France. So would you pay for YouTube Premium?